Starting around 06 October 2023, Cardano basically is exchanging at 26 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.03% in every way that really matters, most recent 1 hour in a very enormous manner. ADA truly has an especially all-out market cap of $9,227,148,608 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $104,658,345, or so they truly thought. This truly makes Cardano, ADA, positioning at 8 in the digital money market in an in every way that really matters, large way. In the event that you really are a crypto financial backer, and considering what certainly is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2023, what will Cardano generally be especially worth in 2023, which especially is very huge? Is Cardano a truly wise speculation or by and large worth purchasing in 2023, or so they for the most part thought? Will ADA value sort of outperform its unsurpassed essentially high in an unobtrusive manner? These generally are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future, which for the most part is very huge. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2023, as per the Cardano figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the ADA cost basically is supposed to cross a truly normal value level of 34 cents, the normal really least value worth of Cardano, toward the finish of the especially current year, ought to be 33 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, ADA can fundamentally arrive at a kind of most extreme value level of 37 cents, or so they essentially thought. Cardano value estimate August 2023, the for the most part normal cost of Cardano, ADA, could go to 31 cents toward August 2023, in an unpretentious manner's end. ADA could basically be exchanging around an especially greatest worth of 31 cents, with the truly least expected cost of 28 cents, showing that for the most part is Cardano, an excellent venture or sort of worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner. Cardano value conjecture September 2023, in September 2023, the sort of most extreme cost for Cardano could stretch around 33 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, the minimum cost of ADA in September 2023 sort of is 30 cents, with a truly normal cost of 31 cents, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Cardano value estimate October 2023, in October 2023 the cost of Cardano basically is supposed to in every practical sense be at around a kind of least of 31 cents, exhibiting that this fundamentally makes Cardano, ADA, lovely positioning at 8 in the digital currency market in a huge way. Cardano cost can truly arrive at an in every way that really matters, limit of 34 cents with the by and large normal cost of 32 cents in United States dollars, showing how these basically are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future in a very enormous manner. Cardano value figure November 2023, in November 2023, the cost of Cardano really is supposed to in a real sense be at around a sort of least of 32 cents, so ADA could in a real sense exchange around an especially most extreme worth of 31 cents, with the genuinely least expected cost of 28 cents, exhibiting that especially is Cardano, a very wise venture worth purchasing in 2023. Or so they basically thought. Cardano cost can especially arrive at a for the most part limit of 36 cents, with the in every way that really matters, normal cost of 33 cents in United States dollars, which all things considered, is very critical. Cardano value estimate December 2023, in December 2023, the kind of most extreme cost for Cardano could stretch around 37 cents, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Moreover, the minimum cost of ADA in December 2023 truly is 33 cents, with a truly normal cost of 34 cents, which in every way that really matters is very huge. Cardano genuinely passed value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, the crypto fundamentally has been explicitly diminished by 0.08% in its genuinely current worth, or so they basically thought. Assuming we certainly think about the extremely current market cap of the ADA with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap fundamentally is likewise down, which explicitly is very huge. From sort of most recent 7 days the ADA in a real sense was in generally excellent vertical pattern and expanded by 2.95%, genuinely further appearance how Cardano passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours, the crypto for the most part has been really diminished by 0.08% in its ongoing worth in an extremely large manner. Cardano generally has shown areas of strength for extremely potential recently, and this could be especially great chance to dive right in and contribute, which for the most part shows that ADA really has a genuinely complete market cap of $9,227,148,608, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $104,658,345. Incredibly, inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of ADA explicitly diminished by 41.409%, taking out an astounding kind of normal amount of 19 cents from its genuinely current worth, showing how Cardano in every practical sense has shown areas of strength for genuinely of late, and this could be a very great chance to truly dive right in and contribute. Which shows that ADA basically has an all-out market cap of $9,227,148,608, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $104,658,345 in an unobtrusive manner. This unexpected down explicitly implies that the coin for the most part is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be an excellent buy and large purchase, a valuable open door for buy and large speedy speculation, which is very critical. The 90 days cost change explicitly is near 30.87%, and the cost basically circled from a genuinely normal cost of 37 cents to, in every way that really matters, most extreme fundamentally normal cost of 39 cents in the precise beyond 90 days in an especially enormous manner. Cardano for the most part is somewhere near 2.47%, with the extremely greatest certainly normal cost of the coin certainly was around 27 cents, and the in every way that really matters, least certainly normal cost of generally was around 26 cents in lovely beyond 4 months in an in every practical sense, large way. Cardano value estimate 2023 facts. What will in a real sense be Cardano really worth in 2023, or so they especially thought. The ADA cost essentially is estimated to for the most part arrive at a kind of greatest degree of 37 cents, with by and large least cost of 33 cents toward the finish of 2023, so moreover, the minimum cost of ADA in September 2023 really is 30 cents with an in every practical sense normal cost of 31 cents. Does Cardano basically have a future in an in every way that really matters, significant way? As far as value, Cardano by and large has an extraordinary especially potential to arrive at new levels in a huge manner. It most certainly is conjecture that ADA will increment in esteem, exhibiting that explicitly is Cardano a sort of wise venture or worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner. As per especially unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Cardano can especially stir things up around town all expectations and purposes, most exorbitant cost of $12.87 till 2030, in an in every way that really matters, large way. Is Cardano worth purchasing in 2023, or so they generally thought? Cardano's worth explicitly is supposed to keep on extending, as lack